I was about to stop you. Nakita ko yung mga difference between PAG4 and the CESA.
1 month from now, we are faced with a situation where we have to go to war against any of our neighbors. You must always think of country first. Every country around us is our enemy. No exception. Please stop it. There is a purpose for CESA. Until today, that purpose is being pursued.
I followed your I was about to stop you. I was about to stop you a while ago. Because marami ako nadidinig na haba na. But when I followed your statements, nakita ko yung mga difference between PAG4 and the CESA.
Kinompleto ko po para
And of
very
course,
clear.
we wanted, I believe that a lot of members wanted to ask questions for us to compare the PAG4 procedures and the procedure of the CESA. And you can help us. And you can even help the government with this. Di ba?
I was in a meeting in the cabinet and we were discussing a policy question about our security. And I asked, I will explain to you why I asked later on. I asked the question, if 1 month from now we are faced with a situation where we have to go to war against any of our neighbors, can we raise an army to defend this country and safeguard the lives, property, and freedom of the Filipino people? I ask the same thing with you as legislators, because that is the essence of your responsibility. Nobody answered the question. CESA was not only an economic project, it's a part of the security of this country. Until today, that is the norm. And I do not know why people want to destroy it. I created that upon the behest of the president then. They sent me around the country to find places in the country that can be developed economically so that we can spread the risk of economic development in case of calamity or in case of a war. And we identified Kasambalangan, which is now Port Irene. We identified Giwan. We identified Zamboanga. We identified Antique. We identified several others, so that the economic development of the country is balanced, and if something happens in one place, it will not affect the others. What are you doing today in this country? You're bunching all the development in the western part of the country, put all the money of the people that are starving to pay their taxes in a risky place of this country. In case of war, the western part, western flank of this country will be blockaded, all those investments will go to north, and the people will starve to death. Can you imagine that? That area is the anchor of the safety and national security of the country. To protect it, we have no enemy that can attack us from the east. We have no, our enemies may come from the south, from the southwest, from the west, from the northwest, and none in the east and the north. So, when we do our things as legislators, I'm leaving you. I might be dead tomorrow. I will not care, but you have to care about your children and grandchildren. You must always think of country first. How to provide them with their livelihood and how to keep them safe from other countries. Every country around us is our enemy, potential enemy. No exception. And that's why, may I beg those who have in their minds to destroy CESA, they stop it. There is a purpose for CESA. Until today, that purpose is being pursued. That's all the message that I want to leave you.
Thank you, sir. Rest assured that every member of this committee will bear in mind that country first. Yun din po ang aming pinaglalaban dito, that we will be fighting for this country. This is the only country that we have. And basically, napag-usapan po yung CESA, the APAB, and the PECO. And we will be, actually, medyo hindi na po siya germane doon sa pinag-uusapan natin sa PAGCOR. But we have seen that the IGL, which is the interactive gaming license that was issued by CESA, is just a part of the whole economic package of CESA and all other economic zone. And thereby, the project, which is highly regulated and territorial. With that, we agree with the good senator, the purpose of trying to scatter the economic zone in a different part of the country. But our discussion will only focus on the ills of these POGOs. And if the CESA and all other economic zone have a good template on how to do it, then it is incumbent upon us and upon you to discuss it thoroughly for us to understand how it works. No? And yes, I follow your statement, Madam Katrina. And with your indulgence, I think we need your expertise. No? And we will see. Along the way, we will see if there are some violations or there are some perfection of the actual operation. Then we will be guided accordingly. So, Madam Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, we know your vision, and we are very thankful. And with this, I think I will be asking the members what is the sentiment of our members with regards to the presence of our good senator. Sir, are you recognized?
Nung dumating dito ang mga Amerikano, paano nila na-capture itong Pilipinas? Dinakade nilang Manila Bay. Yung admiral ng Espanya, hindi makagalaw.
Diwi.
Kung magkagerra at i-blockade ang magmula sa Palawan hanggang sa pasukin ang Pilipinas, anong puerto ang open para umandar ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas?
CESA po.
Wala.
CESA.
Maybe if you can develop something in the Bicol region to access the Pacific. CESA is the most strategic port for this country. That area from Pagudpud all the way to Casiguran in Isabela, that portion is an area that can support 50 million Filipinos economically. That's how important that is. And there is no one that can attack it. And that is why we have to develop that as a place to repair our government and our people, some of them, in case of war. In fact, even the Japanese who invited us, who invaded us, thought of that place as an exit point. They knew what they were doing. We Filipinos, we do not know what we want. We do some things without any purpose. My God, when you build the country, you have to build the economy, you have to build the system to safeguard that economy. That is what China is doing now. They had the time line. You can be rich until 2001, develop your military until 2030, prepare for war from 30 to 50, and conquer the world. That is their purpose.
Thank you,
Mr.
Senator.
Thank you, Mr.
Sige, you still
Senator.
have the floor. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Senator. I agree completely, 100%. That's why I am supporting CESA and its charter, and I will defend it. as a legislator from Isabela and coming from Region 2. And Mr. Chair, I believe that the statement of our Secretary Katrina Ponce Enrile has already stated that there is no POGO in CESA, and therefore there is actually not much jurisdiction that we have for this committee to hear from her or from Secretary Chief Presidential Counsel Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. With the indulgence of our members, we know that Secretary Enrile is 100 years old. Are they willing to still stay? But we would like to actually excuse them if it is possible, because there is nothing here that can elucidate more questions because they don't have POGO at all. And our investigation here is primarily for POGOs in itself. But that is my opinion, and I leave it to the chair and to the body, Mr. Chair. But I would like to just say that under Madam Katrina's chairmanship of CESA, I for myself have visited, has been improving tremendously and has been giving a lot of money to the country and to the region itself. And I, of course, would like to give thanks for her service and for her strength in making sure that CESA will continue to give service not only to our region of Cagayan, Isabela, and Region 2, but the entire Philippines as well. So I thank you for your service, Madam Katrina. So again, I leave it to the chairman. I would like to ask the permission of our colleagues to exclude them if they wish to do so, or if they want to stay here to answer questions. That is their prerogative. And I would like to ask Madam Cristina and the chairman with that,
Yes,
Mr. Chair.
this is a comprehensive opening remarks, and I think it all boils down to comparing this to the operation of the PAGCOR. And I think and I believe the chair believes, no, with the members will allow me to in deference to Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, we will be allowing you to be excused. But I think your deputy administrators are here, di ba? And they can defend these opening remarks. So basically, we'll be
Chairman.
asking na lang po the...
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Congressman Paduano. Chairman.
Actually, Mr. Chairman, I just like to reiterate my manifestation during the last hearing that CESA is not part of this investigation because CESA is not under the jurisdiction of PAGCOR. And this investigation should focus on the 402 illegal POGOs. Now, if ever, of course, the good senator, former senator, Senate President, now Secretary of one of the agencies of this country, will be excused, and some of the part of the CESA will be here. They should not be here to defend. They should be part of the resource persons. Kasi CESA, again, CESA is not part of this investigation. Well, in fact, sabi ko nga nung nakaraan, hindi nga natin maubos yung 402 mag-imbestiga pa tayo sa kabila. Let us finish first the problem of PAGCOR, in which it was stated also by Attorney Katrina, Secretary Katrina, with regards to the charter of PAGCOR, and it was established last hearing that PAGCOR has no authority and in their charter, any provision in their charter with regards to POGOs. And last hearing, they invoke about Jaworski jurisprudence. It cannot be applied because that is not all about offshore gaming. That is all about internet gaming, that case. That's why, Mr. Chairman, if CESA, some of the officers of CESA will stay for purposes of giving us some insights, not as part of the to be investigated, Mr. Chairman. That is a different case, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
Just to clarify, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
The chair agree. Okay, before we let the good senator and the CESA family be excused, last word.
Just by way of an additional information, we started with 300 licensees, went down to 30, and right now we're down to 13. Out of the 13, only 7 are operating. Just for your the information of the body. Thank you very much.
And this was wrong copycat by the PAGCOR.
Yes po.
And we have to establish that.
Yes
We
po.
will establish that in this hearing.
Salamat po.
Okay. Anyway, so Kung wala na po, 1 minute suspension.